Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Goomba from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw this cute mushroom, let's start by drawing the small U in between the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and go down and curve right back up. Then from there, I'm going to come out here to the bottom of this U and I'm just going to go up with a curve. So this is going to be the beginning of the eyebrows. And same thing here. Just want to draw a curve that goes up. So now that I have that curve, I'm just going to stop before I finish the eyebrows. I'm just going to come back right in this area. And I'm going to start to draw this huge oval. So I'll say about right here as well. Give myself a point. And I'm going to come down with a big curve. Nice and big. And go right back up to that point I created. So as you notice, it's a little bit slanted. So let's do the same thing over here. So right here and drag a point across about right here. And let's do the same thing. It's easier for my hand on this side to go from the top down. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There, so these two huge shapes in. Now let's come back inside towards the top right here on this edge and we're going to draw this big oval. And then I'll come right here with a highlight, circle, and shade everything in. So same thing here. Okay, so now that my eye's in, let's go ahead and we're going to work on the mouth first. So right underneath these huge eyes, I'm going to say about right here. Let's go about right here. I'll just start and I'll go up and draw this curve that frowns. So about right here, draw this curve towards the center and I'm going to come right back down. So about right there, so right underneath the eyes. Let's just go in here and fix my curve. Now that I have it in, and then from there, we're going to draw some teeth. So right towards this edge right here, let's go up, round off the tip, and down. So same thing here. Round off the tip, and down. Okay, so then now we have Gru's face in. Let's go ahead and we'll finish the eyebrows. So we're going to go right here. We're going to go up and out. And let's thicken it up. So come back right here. And we're just going to thicken up these brows. And same thing here. Okay, so then now that I have that in between, well, let's do this first. Let's come about right here. And here, same thing on the other side, about right here. And we're going to start to draw the head shape. So let's bring this down. We're just kind of going close to the eye. And then about right here, we're just going to dip in a little bit and then pop it out. So it's very subtle. Just dip in a little bit and then out towards the mouth and go around. So same thing here. Come down and then towards the eye right here. I'm just going to dip in a little bit and then pop it out. Okay, so then now we can finally go ahead and connect it at the bottom. So we're just going to come right about here towards this bottom. We're going to flatten it out and then come out. and just connect everything. There. Okay, so I'm drawing really big, so it's a little harder to control these lines. But about right here, we're going to imagine this eyebrow is being overlapped. The eyebrow is overlapping the head, so about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve to connect everything. There, finally have his head in. And I'll come in here real quickly and shade this in so you can see a little bit better. Sorry if that took me forever. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now to draw his cute little body. So we're just going to come right here towards the center, right underneath the eye. Say about right here and here. And let's go ahead and just come down a little bit straighter and then just round it off. And connect at the bottom with a curve. There, now he's a mushroom, right? And then we gotta add some feet to this mushroom. So right in the center, about right here and here, draw 2 curves. And then we're going to come about right here and just connect it. Come down with a curve and then about right here, just gonna angle a little bit in. And so same thing over here. About right here, curve, angle a little bit, and then connect. There, and that is pretty much it for this cute mushroom named Goomba from Super Mario. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.